laws of exponent. Number 1, product of powers. So we have x raised to a times x raised to b is equals to x, same ang base, copy the base, and add the exponent. Example, x raised to 3 times x squared. So copy the base. Then 3 plus 2 is equals to x raised to 5. Another example, 2 squared times 2 cube, same ang base, copy the base, and add the exponent. So that is equals to 2 raised to 5. Then that is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that is equals to 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2 is 32. Number 2, power of a power. X raised to a times raised to b. So that is equals to x a times b times the power. Example, x squared times cube. So that is equals to x. 2 times 3. So that is equals to x raised to 6. Power of a product. X y raised to 2. That is equals to distribute the power of 2 to the x and y. So we have x square, y square. Example, 5a square b cube raised to square. So that's equals to 5. Distribute ang 2, 5 square, a 2 times 2, b 3 times 2. So that is equals to 5 times 5 is 25. A 2 times 2 is 4, and B 3 times 2 is 6. Power of a quotient. X raised to a over x raised to b. So that is equals to x, copy the base, and minus the exponent. So a is our numerator, then minus the b. Okay, so example, m raised to 5 divided by m raised to 3. So that's equals to m, 5 minus 3 equals m square. Zero exponent. X raised to 0 is equal to 1, or any variable or any number raised to 0 is always equals to 1. Example, number 1, 8 raised to 0 is equals to 1. Number 2, 12x raised to 0 is equals to 12 times 1, kasi yung x lang ang may exponent na 0. Kaya yung x lang ang magiging 1. So equals 12 times 1 is 12. So number 3, 12x raised to 0. So that is equals to 1. Negative exponent. X raised to negative 1 is equals to 1 over x square. So example, 3 raised to negative 2 is equals to 1 over 3 square is equals to 1. 3 times 3 is 9. And number 2, 1 over 4 raised to negative 2 is equals to 4 square. So nasa denominator naman, itataas na naman natin yung negative exponent para maging positive. So we have 4 square is equals to 16.